Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube picture-in-picture Samsung Android phone. So simply at first open your settings and provide full guide. Don't skip my video. Scroll down and find here to apps or go to search option. Search here to apps. Then find this. Click on to three dot. So as you can see showing here to three option, just click on special access and then showing here to picture in picture. Open this, scroll down and find here to YouTube and make sure to enable this. So I'm already enabled, so go out, just open YouTube and go out. Okay, and open this, click on this YouTube logo and showing here to four option. Open in pop-up view, click on, then showing here to this option. You just easily use this. So that's it, that's how you can do it.